Question number 7. If A equals to matrix 5 2 1 0 3 2 4 2 1, B inverse equals to 1 1 1 3 4 3 3 3 4, then find value of AB inverse. We know that AB inverse given by B inverse A inverse. Here B inverse is this, but A inverse is find out. So we find A inverse. We find value of A 5 as it is. This column and this row delete. 3 1 is 3, 3 minus 4 plus 4. This column and this row delete. 4 4 minus 3. Minus 1 multiply by 5 minus 5. 4 minus 1 not equals to 0. So we write, so inverse of A exists. Inverse of A given by 1 upon value of A into adjoint of A, and adjoint of A is cofactor. Transpose of adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor. So we find cofactors of A. C11 is positive. We delete this column and this row. 3 3 minus 4 minus 1 1 2 negative. This column and this row delete. 2 2 minus 2 0. And we find C13. This column and this row delete. 4 minus 3 1. C21 negative. This row and this column delete. 0 minus 8 minus minus plus 8. C22 positive. This column and this row delete. 5 minus 4 1. Negative. This column and this row delete. 10 minus 10. C31 positive. This column and this row delete. 0 minus 12. C2 negative. This column and this row delete. 10 10 minus 8 2 minus 2. C33 positive. This row and this column delete. 15 minus 0 15. Adjoint of A given by C11, C12, C13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. We put value of C11, C12, C13 from here. Minus 1, 0, 1, 8, 1, minus 10, minus 12, minus 2, 15. We get minus 1, 8, minus 12, 0, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 10, 15. A inverse given by 1 upon value of A is minus 1 and adjoint is this minus 1, 0, 1, 8, 1, minus 10, minus 12, minus 2, 15. A inverse is plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 8, minus 1, plus 10, plus 12, plus 2, minus 15. When we multiply minus 1 to complete determinant, we put here B inverse and A inverse. So we write equation number second by equation first and equation number second. We put value of B inverse 1, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. A inverse is 1, 0, minus 1, minus 8, minus 1, 10, minus 12, 2, minus 15. We multiply this column by complete row. We have 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 3, 0, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 1 into 1, 1, plus 0, minus 3, 1, 0, minus 4. Again next column, minus 8 into 1, minus 8, minus 3, plus 30, minus 8, minus 4, plus 30, minus 8, minus 3, plus 40. Next column 12, 6, minus 45, 12, 8, minus 45, 12, 6, minus 60. One minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 4 minus 3, minus 8 minus 3 minus 11 plus 30 plus 19, minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 plus 30, 18, minus 8 minus 3, 11 plus 40, 29. 12 plus 6, 18, 18 minus 45, minus 27. 12 plus 8, 20, 20 minus 45, minus 25. 12 plus 6, 18, 18 minus 60, minus 42. Our answer. Question number 8. Next question 8. Prove that transpose of A into A inverse equals to cos 2 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. where A is 1 minus tan alpha 1. We find A inverse. So we find first value of this matrix 1 minus minus plus tan square alpha. It is not equals to 0, so we write, so inverse of A exists. We find adjoint of A transpose of cofactor C11. This row and this column delete. We have 1. We find 1, 2. It is negative. This column and this row delete. We have plus tan alpha, and we find 2, 1 is minus tan alpha. If we find 2, 2 plus 1. On transpose, we get 1 minus tan alpha, tan alpha 1. So A inverse given by 1 upon 1 plus tan square alpha 1 tan alpha minus tan alpha 1. Prove that. To prove transpose of A into A inverse cos 2 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. We take LHS. Transpose of A given by 1 minus tan alpha into 1, and value of A inverse is this 1 upon 1 plus tan square alpha 1 tan alpha minus tan alpha 1. One plus tan square alpha as it is 1 minus tan alpha 1 tan alpha minus tan alpha 1. We multiply these 1 upon 1 plus tan square alpha 1 into 1 1 plus into minus tan square alpha 1 into tan alpha plus tan alpha minus 1 into 1 minus tan alpha minus tan alpha minus tan square alpha plus 1. 1 upon 1 plus tan square alpha 1 minus tan square alpha 2 times of tan alpha minus 2 times of tan alpha 1 minus tan square alpha. We multiply this we get 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha 2 tan alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha. Minus 2 tan alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha 1 minus tan square alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha. We know that 1 minus tan square alpha 1 plus tan square alpha, we write cos 2 alpha, and 2 tan alpha 1 plus tan square alpha also write sin 2 alpha. So we write here cos 2 alpha sin 2 alpha minus sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. It is our RHS. Hence proved.